We want to go get theirs.
What else? What about some black olives?
Okay.
Yeah, mushrooms.
No. I want it.
Put it on your pizza.
Not good.
That's Maddox's first piece of ham he's ever eaten.
Okay.
Oh, really?
And I just got it on video.
Put it like this. Put it like
Oh, very good, Colton. Show Maddox how to do it.
Oh, let me look. That's funny.
What about some pepperoni?
It's right here.
Cheese.
You want pepperoni on yours?
Yeah.
Get pepperoni.
Maddox, why don't you try to put some pepperoni on your pizza? Colton's got a good looking pizza going on. Yours is pretty plain.
Also,
No. I'm going to put some on my pizza.
huh?
Really, the objective is to like put it on the pizza and back
Right.
in the oven.
It's better when it's hot and gooey and melty.
Oh.
Oh, tape's gone.